Doctor, do I need to trim my hair before the hair transplantation? Sadly, you do need to trim your hair before the hair transplant. But hey, there is a new solution to this. What if I told you that you could get your hair transplantation done and get back to work in a couple of days and attend a function in probably a week and no one would get to know? Let me introduce you to the first of its kind in the whole of Bangalore, what is known as No Shave FUE or Long Hair FUE. This is one of the most recent advances in hair transplantation and it is one of the most complex surgeries as well. It means harvesting grafts when they are still quite long, so that is a challenge in itself, and then arranging the grafts and then implanting all of those long hairs in those tiny holes. It makes it a big challenge. But hey, we are skilled to do this complex procedure. So who should get a long hair FUE? Well, it's for people who are professionals, who need to get back to work very quickly, who have a function to attend, who have their marriages fixed in the next 1 or 2 months. This is for you guys. Is this the future for hair transplantation? Well, long hair FUE definitely is. So if you are looking out for a hair transplantation where you want it to be discreet, or you want to get back to work immediately, or you want to attend a function very soon, then long hair FUE is for you. I am Dr. Mihir Shankar, plastic and cosmetic surgeon and hair transplant surgeon. Please visit me and then we can talk more about hair transplantation and if you are the right candidate for a long hair FUE. Thank you.